Josh Smith with Gotta Be Mobile. We're here checking out a cool new security system from Arlo that's arriving in 2019. It's the Arlo Security System, and it's based around this smart hub. And with this whole setup, we get a really cool set of features. We have the smart hub in the back, we have a siren with a red strobe light up front. We have this key fob, which you can use to arm, set up a perimeter, and then disarm. And then there's also two customizable buttons on the top edge that you can use to set up with some different things that work with Arlo, which has integrations for lights and other things like that. One of the really cool things is this multi-purpose sensor. So typically, if you want sensors throughout your house, you're gonna have to buy specific sensors. It does this, it does that. And then if you find out, oh, I don't really need a leak sensor there, I'd rather have a motion sensor, you have to go buy something new. With this, it can handle all of these different things. So on this wall here, we see some of the things that this can do. We can use this as a window sensor. We can use it as a light sensor. We can also put it somewhere and use it as a motion detector. So you can really get a full range of features here. Again, we have door, window, and we'll also do temperature. So you're getting a lot of cool features all built into one thing. And so you're gonna be able to figure out where this fits best in your house, in your apartment, and really customize that to what you need. And you can kind of move it around as you get set up and figure out, okay, what all do I need? That way you don't end up with sensors that you don't need. The Arlo Security System is coming in the second half of 2019. We don't have pricing just yet, but it will also work with the Arlo cameras. Thanks for joining us to look at the Arlo Security System. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, leave us a comment, and let us know what you think about this, and subscribe for more.